What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Barnbridge, which has taken a huge increase in the last 24 hours, 66% up, and currently valued at $6.39. So we're going to be looking at why has it pumped up so much in the last not even 24 hours, probably in the last 12 hours guys, and where is it heading to next for the rest of the year. Can it head up to around $10, or going into 2024, what can we expect from Barnbridge? Is it going to keep pumping, or is it going to crash back down in value? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also look at its prediction over the short term and over the long term as well going into 2024. Is it a crypto that you must have in your wallet? Should you buy it right now? Is it too late? And so on. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I'll be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Barnbridge, which is here in purple at $4.06. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in green at $6.49, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. However, this also does mean that it is overvalued right now, meaning it may be going through a price correction over the coming days, which means it could crash back down, but we'll get into that shortly. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the orange line clearly looking bullish, going in a positive direction, and it is looking quite steep as well. And the blue line was going in a bullish direction, however it looks like it is coming to a standstill, going in a flat line right now. So again, due to the fact that the orange line is looking quite steep, this is not realistic because of the pump that's taking place over the last 12 hours. The graph thinks that Barnbridge is going to keep pumping at that pace over the next 12 to 14 hours. However, that is not the case. So by midday tomorrow, in the early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Barnbridge to have dropped back down below $6 is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. However, in the next couple of hours, it is likely to pump up higher than where it is at the moment, potentially getting very close to around $7 or just past $7 before it slowly starts to drop back down in value below $6 in the early hours of tomorrow midday. So yes, do expect it to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again we've got the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, going in a positive direction. However, they are still looking very steep guys, meaning just like the previous chart, this is not realistic. So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of next week, I am expecting Barnbridge to go through an overall drop in value. As you guys can see here, if I zoom out to the 7 days chart, it was fluctuating around $3.70 and has taken a random pump out of nowhere earlier this morning. So it is overvalued, and more than likely it is going to crash back down in value over the coming days, dropping down to around $4 is where I'm expecting Barnbridge to be trading at by the end of next week. So around just before New Year's, it should be hovering around the $4 mark is what I'm expecting. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again guys, the blue and the orange line are still looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, meaning once again this is not realistic. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so in the first quarter of 2024, around February, March next year, I'm expecting the crypto to be hovering around the $8 mark is what I'm expecting. So yes, it is going to be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. However, before it does that, it's going to have to go for a price correction, meaning dropping down to around $4 and then slowly and steadily gaining value up to around $7 to $8 by February, March 2024. So do expect it to be quite volatile once again, but at the moment the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, especially that I am expecting the crypto market to be moving towards the green side over the next 7 to 8 days. We should expect more increases in value from Barnbridge as well. So what we're going to do now is get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone and we've got quite a long way to hit the blue zone here at the top. However, we are getting very close to the green zone here, which is $7.08, which it should potentially hit over the next couple of hours and then resist and drop back down into the red zone. And potentially in the first quarter of 2024 it should be able to break out and head into the green zone, as I mentioned earlier on in the video. But if you guys want regular updates on Barnbridge, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale, and going into the CoinMarketCap website now, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 1,300% in the last 24 hours, making it $128 million in trading, meaning it's gone up quite a bit, meaning a lot more people are trading the crypto right now. We're seeing a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading it, as it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. As you guys can see, according to Binance, it is the second top gainer in the last 24 hours. So yes guys, it is getting a lot of attention from both buyers and sellers point of view. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Barnbridge, guys. I'm expecting it to hit $10 by mid-year next year. As I mentioned in the thumbnail, guys, $10 is coming soon, but we're gonna have to give it enough time for it to slowly and steadily pump up in value and for it to be a stabilized coin. So what I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, what is the highest figure you guys are predicting Barnbridge to hit in 2024. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And also, if any of you guys have any other cryptocurrencies in mind that you guys want me to cover on this channel, comment them down below as well, and I'll be going through them and covering those cryptos as well. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Before you click off the video, make sure to like, subscribe, share and comment, because at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe. So why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.